hola, welcome back to Elastic Views. Welcome back, beautiful people. Hope you're good, hope you're doing well. On this one, we're talking about a very special one. I'm so excited to show you all about the CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. If you're abroad, you're in the diaspora, you're young, you're out of school, you're in school, and you've just been looking to start that thing in Nigeria even while you're not there, I'm your plug. We can work through this together, okay? Because I've been there, I've done that, and I've experienced some things, okay? But there's just so many things that you can avoid by just going through videos, watching things online, learning from people, and that's kind of how I learned. But some things maybe I didn't really check much or anything. So I just want to be a should I say a vessel if I really want to preach right now. I just want to be a resource to really help people like me, young women, young men. You just want to know how to develop your idea in Nigeria or in other African countries or other countries around the world apart from where you're currently living. And to be honest, you can get replies within 24 hours, 2 days, as far as your business name is valid, it's not been used before. We can talk about all of that. If you're stumbling by on here for the first time today, please go ahead and subscribe, come back for more. I really hope that you'll come back because we're doing great stuff on here and we're growing a lot. There's so much we're gonna learn, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing, of course, it's your cac.gov.ng. You come here, you do what you have to do, see how it shows the CAC building. I've never been to this building before, but it looks so great. It matches the vibe. Like I said, I never had to come here to even register my business from where I was. I registered from the US. My 2 businesses in Nigeria, yeah, but you can do it from anywhere that you are, and you can just get started on what you need. So let's scroll down, let's see what it says. Public search online registration. It's 6 minutes. Public search online registration, revised service timelines, how to use CRP, step-by-step registration, your companies, your businesses, your incorporated trustee. The thing I would recommend is your first time doing this, go ahead and do the registering of business name. You can get a reply in 24 hours, you can get a reply in 48 hours. Yo, I'm so excited for you because this content is very good, very useful for you, okay? So let's just go. If you click on online registration, it would take you to another page which looks like this. It's called the pre.cac.gov.ng, and this one has your public search, reserve a name, step 3 pre-incorporation, 4 post-incorporation. So it basically tells you step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. But to be honest, this one that I'm talking about to you in this video, registering your business in and with CAC, is so straightforward. You really need step 1 and 2 the most, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is to try and do a public search. We're going to do search now, and this is for you to put in your business name and figure out if it already exists or it's a new idea, you're just starting out, you're just doing it, right? So let's go ahead and try that. Okay, y'all think of something. Let's search if it exists. Let's say Kanka Foods, Kanka Pharmacy. Let's search Kanka Pharmacy and see if that exists. Kanka Pharmacy. If it doesn't exist, it's a good sign because that means that you can use that name and you're likely going to be approved. Can you see? It says search not found. If you believe this is an error, please contact CAC to update your record. Interesting. So now let's try it out with something that we already know. Let's say either you know or you think there will be a company with that name. Let's say Fast Company. Okay, let's do the search. Okay, now we're seeing some options. Let me move this over to the side. Now we're seeing some options. You see where it says So Fast Company Limited is available. The A&P Steady Fast Company is available. Far Fast Manufacturing Company Limited is available. Ooh, okay. Fast Builders Company is available. But if you notice, some say active, meaning that they're actually registered and they're ongoing, and some actually say inactive, meaning that they've just not been in business. This one says was registered in 2010. This one says 1988. Wow, 1990. That's so deep. That's actually so deep. 2016, 2022, 2013. Chai, like 1990. That must be the times where they were actually just only doing like paper registrations. People would actually go to their office to physically register, you know. So quite interesting. So yeah, obviously like these ones are taking, so it's just good to go through this, know if something that you're thinking is already taken, if the name is taken, because it's likely to be denied. Know if it's inactive. I think if it's inactive, you can still kind of use that name. If the others are not active, either they override it or you pay to override. If you really do have a name you're passionate about, go ahead and find out, because they also give you 2 options, right? All right, so let's go back to where we were before. We've done a little bit of public search, so now let's get into the meat. Let's reserve our name. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. If I'm giving you this content, know that it's premium content. I know that there's much more to come. Let's call this one episode 1. There's going to be episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everything for your registration of your businesses in Nigeria, okay, from the diaspora or anywhere you are. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. This one, of course, you can sign up newly, or you log in. I already have a login, so I'll use my login. If not, yeah, we'll come back to it. So go ahead and log in. Okay guys, this is actually so interesting because I literally just logged in now, and this basically shows you I didn't think that, you know, obviously like I'll use my account and everything, but this is so good. This is so good for you to see, right? See, it literally says in my history of CAC stuff, I've had 4 denied applications and 2 reserved. 2 reserved, which probably are and is my 2 registered businesses, right? So it doesn't mean that some may not be denied, but they'll let you know fast, and most times they'll tell you the reason why it was denied. So you either like remake the name, or you add something like, oh, so company, so limited, so food. You make it more specific. So interesting that you see this right here. So once you're in here, you've logged in, you have a portal, you've signed in, you go ahead and click new name reservation. Okay, once you're here, it reads, no company limited shall be registered under this act by a name or trademark which is identical with that by which another company is already in existence, contains the words Chamber of Commerce. They don't want that. In the opinion of commission, is capable. So they put different things. Go ahead and read that, but this is the main thing. So let's get into the meat. You know, you put in your company type. As you're starting out, at first I was confused about these things, but put business name. Okay, put business name. Okay, that's the first thing. Put business name, and then specific type. You put sole proprietor. Usually means like, okay, you're the main person doing the business, which is fine. But I believe for mine I put partnership. I can't remember honestly, but I don't think it matters too much. But partnership should kind of incorporate more people if you're collaborating with others and all those kind of things. Proposed names, yes. So what was our last thing we searched? Kanka Pharmacy. That's the first name we want our business to be. Option 2, they give you 2 options. In case one is not available, they give you another one. Like for all my businesses, I wanted to do so thing Nigeria or so Africa. So I put both so they can pick anyone, because I didn't mind, although I wanted the one that said Africa at the end of it, and that's the one I got. So yeah, you can basically get what you want. Let's say the option 2, let's say the Kanka Pharmacy. This Kaka Pharmacy is starting to look good in my eyes, okay? But of course, this is not mine. This is just me testing out this random name I just thought about. But hey, if you're into pharmacy stuff, you like that name, go ahead and like register it for real, right? But I'm just showing you samples. Reason for availability search, you go ahead and put that you are a new incorporation. You're not changing name, you're new, okay? You're registering new. Nature of business category, since we said pharmacy, then it needs to be under health and stuff. So yeah, we have something here that says human health and social work activities. We have accommodation, food, education, faith-based, sporting. Some of mine were more like consulting, education. I won't say non-profit, but more like social ventures. So let me go ahead and put human health for this one. Nature of business. Since I put health, they're gonna ask like what it is, right? Let's see if there's anything like pharmacy. Chemist. Okay, chemist in Nigeria is usually like chemist, like a chemist. I think that's usually like pharmacy in Nigeria, right? I think so. Yeah, let's go ahead. I don't know if is there another chemist. Well, yes, it's not a hospital. Patent on medicine services. Okay, I think I should do medicine services. That one fits more, like pharmacy. Additional remarks, you can put anything, it's not compulsory, but you can put the intent of this business is to serve the community with well branded look at me talking like a medical person. I'm not a medical person. Not makeup, not put like the whole canker pharmacy stuff when I do nothing with medicine, really. The intent of this business is to serve the community. Well, I do a recent like small consulting project on health, but yeah, that's the only thing, but I'm not into that. Intent of business is to serve the community well branded pharmaceutical items for all. I don't know, you can put anything, a little bit of your vision, your value, anything that you want. So yeah, that's it. You go ahead and click save and continue. Business name details, you see. So now it gives you a preview. This was so fast, like this, like how many minutes is this? Like 5 minutes. You can register your business in 5 minutes. It's so easy. And at the end of this, payments, guess how much payment is, guys? Guess. 500 naira. 500 naira. 500 naira is less than $1, less than £1. And even to people earning in naira, 500 naira is still kind of small. So yeah, 500 naira to register your business. That's very good in the economy that we are in. Very, very good. Kanka Pharmacy. Kanka Pharmacy, it's a business name partnership, new incorporation, patent medicine services. Okay, it gives you your name details on the bottom based on what you used to sign up earlier. Your full name, your phone number, your email. Yeah. Then you go ahead and click save and continue. I don't know, I'm not, this is not a real thing, so I don't want it to like submit me and then I can't remove it. Okay, it says please note that you'll not be allowed to make modifications after payment. So obviously you want to pay, you have to press remitter, you pay online. You can probably use your MasterCard, your Nigerian card, your Visa, Getaway, anything like that, you know, you pay. So it tells you exactly what you need to pay from remitter. 500 naira plus some taxes and service fees, 661 naira. Your information is there, and then you click submit. But I don't want to submit because it's not a real thing that I'm doing right now. But since we got to that stage, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it looks like once you've registered, and then they'll let you know not too long after if it has been registered, if it was approved or not. If it wasn't, they'll let you know why, which is basically what happened to mine, right? All right, beautiful people, so you remember when we first started, we saw this one say 0 on my profile, right? So this makes sense because now we put in another one, we didn't submit it, we've not paid, so that makes sense that it says not submitted. 4 denied from mine from the past, 2 reserved, registrations on the bottom. This one is the step you go through after this step, but this video is just for this step. Okay, so let's click on not submitted. Of course, once you've submitted it will go to reserved, so you open it from there. But this one is the not submitted one, so you open it, it tells you what you just did. You can check your payment status. It actually looks good. Kanka Pharmacy / the Kanka Pharmacy business name, created on October 4, 2022. How cool is that? How cool is that? Yes, so if you go ahead and click on what you've reserved, it will tell you what you reserved that was approved. And you know, obviously on this left side it shows a little bit of what I've done in the past that was approved. It tells you when it was approved. It tells you things, and I just want to remind you, and I'm glad I came to this page, everything you do, once you do your payment, once you says, oh, your name has been approved, it's been reserved, go ahead and download everything, guys, because sometimes I would say their website is pretty good, but you know, sometimes glitches can happen. You can log in another day, you won't find your receipt. So anywhere you see something like this, just go ahead and download your receipt, put it in a particular folder in an email to save your business document. So that's basically it, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, I've been thinking about this now for 2-3 weeks that okay, I'm gonna do a CAC video. I want to do a CAC video. Let's get started on this Nigerian journey, you know, sharing with my entrepreneurial friends, my sisters, my young adults that want to do something good or big in Nigeria, right? So I'm so excited I'm finally sharing this. Please come back for more. We have so much. I'm going to show you how to do a corporate credit card, a debit card, from and in Nigeria, earning in Naira. I'm going to show you how to write proposals for your businesses, how to find emails of people to reach, to contact, how to join events, how to send money to Nigeria for partnerships or helping some form of cause, collaborating with your business, anything like that. There's so much I'm going to show you all, so please go ahead and subscribe. I have a feeling like this video is going to blow up, and I really hope it does. I really hope it does, y'all. Elastic views here, Ola here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you, Lord. I have to say thank God also, because I feel like, yes, I'm ready to really put this content out here to really show you all I have to share, learn from you as well, learn from others. And this also just gingers me, of course, to continue to learn and bring more good content for you all. Like, kò sí wàhálà konkon, àjọ máa ṣe kíní yẹn, àjọ máa gbé kíní yẹn wá. If you're Nigerian on here, if you're Yoruba, you're Nigerian, you understand what I'm saying. You know, it means like it's our turn. It is our turn. It is your turn. It is your turn. It is our turn. Let's get this money. Let's get this funding. Let's get our ventures, our ideas out there. Let's flourish, guys. Thank you all so much. See you on the next one. God bless you all. Elastic views here, all are here. I love you all so much. Can't wait to see you on the next one, and I'm so excited to give you this content. See, we also tried out a new background/format today. I really hope you like it and that you come back for more. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.